6 patients, 1 doctor. Who goes first? In an emergency room, you do not serve people in the order they arrived. You serve the most urgent case first. Cardiac arrest before a paper cut. Priority before arrival. Now scale that idea to software, where this decision must happen in microseconds. The data structure that does it is the heap. A heap is a binary tree built for one job. It tells you what matters most right now. In our emergency room metaphor, the root is the next patient treat. In a Max-heap, every parent is greater than or equal to its children. In a min-heap, every parent is smaller. That single rule keeps the next priority instantly reachable. 2 properties define a heap. First, it must be a complete binary tree. Every level is filled, left to right, with no gaps. Second, the heap order property. Parent dominates child. Together, these give us something beautiful. We can store the entire tree inside a flat array. For a node at index I, its children live at 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. Its parent at I minus 1 divided by 2. No pointers, no allocations. Just arithmetic. Let us insert a value. We append it to the end of the array, the next open slot in the tree. But it might violate the heap property. So we sift it up, compare it with its parent, and swap if it is larger. Repeat until it finds its place. Because a complete binary tree of n nodes has height log n, insertion costs only O of log n time. Watch how the new value bubbles toward the top, finding exactly where it belongs. Extracting the maximum is equally elegant. We take the root, that is our answer, but now the root is empty. So we move the last element up to fill it, then sift it down. At each step, we compare with both children and swap with the larger one. This continues until the heap property is restored. Again, log n time. With each extraction, the next maximum rises to the top, like clockwork. Level up. Here is one of the most surprising results in computer science. If you have n unordered elements and want a heap, you might guess n log n time by inserting one by one. But there is a better way. Start from the last non-leaf node, sift down and work backward to the root. That builds the heap in O of n time. Why? Many nodes are near the bottom and move only a little. Only a few nodes are high enough to move far. The total work stays linear. Now here is an algorithm hiding in plain sight. Build a heap in linear time. Then repeatedly extract the maximum and place it at the end. Each extraction is log n extractions total. That is n log n sorting in place with no extra memory. It is called Heapsort, guaranteed worst case n log n performance. Unlike quicksort, which can degrade. Not the fastest in practice, but rock solid. Here is the entire implementation in Python, about 30 lines. Sift up, sift down, insert, and extract. That is the whole machine. Notice how clean it is. Arithmetic on array indices, a handful of comparisons. No trees, no pointers, no rebalancing. The simplicity is the beauty. The binary heap is just the beginning. A DRE heap fans out more, shallower, with faster decrease key. A binomial heap supports merging 2 heaps in log n time. A Fibonacci heap pushes that even further, giving amortized O of 1 decrease key, though with much more complexity. In practice, the binary heap remains the workhorse. Simple, fast, cache-friendly. Heaps power priority queues. And priority queues power the world, CPU schedulers, Dijkstra's and Prince algorithms. The top K problem, finding the largest K items in a stream. Event simulation in games and networks. Median maintenance using 2 heaps. Huffman coding for compression. Whenever the next most important thing matters, a heap is underneath. A heap is one of those rare structures that gives you more than it asks. Simple operations, linear construction, and a precise answer to the question, what comes next? Thank you for watching. Your next step is simple. Implement push, pop, and heapify yourself. Master the heap, and you have mastered priority itself.